have more lanes you want to shoot up?
I have more, if I can. Are we going to keep going for a while?
Yep.
How big of a boy are you? What a pussy! What a pussy!
I don't care. I don't have to shoot it. Save it for Knob Creek.
If you want to shoot it, that's fine
Okay.
too.
That's a kick-ass one.
If you want to stand above the swap, you ammo.
When you're not ready for that 50 to go off.
Because I got some AP that you can shoot off the stand up. I think that mount down there
Yeah, that does kick a little more than you think.
will. I'd rather keep it in the car if it's in